Hello and welcome to Knit in the Womb Designs, where we do all of your left-handed knitting tutorials. And today we are doing a follower request, and we are doing make one right purlwise and make one left purlwise. So we've done make one right and make one left knitwise. Now I'm going to show you how to do it on the purl side, the back side. Okay. So this is what this ends up looking like when you stack them every row. You can kind of see it there. This is make one right, this is make one left. Yes, they go the opposite direction. Don't worry about what direction your increases are going. If you follow the pattern exactly, it will turn out perfectly, okay? Just do what the pattern tells you to do. Don't worry about what direction your increases go. You're just gonna confuse yourself. Don't worry about it. Just do what the pattern says and your pattern will work out perfectly. Now, one thing I didn't mention in my make one right and make one left video was there is a handy trick to remember which one is which. Right rear. So when you're doing a make one right, you're going to go in through the back, through the rear end of the stitch, from the ladder of the stitch. So you go in through the back and knit regular. When you're doing a make one left, you go in through the front. So if you remember right rear, then you'll know automatically that the left goes in through the front. So I've got this all set up. Let's show you how to do a make one left purlwise first. So here's your ladder between stitches right here. And because we're doing make one left, you go in through the front. And then you pick up that ladder going in front to back. And then you're going to come into, do everyone's favorite. And we're going to purl through that back loop. And if we turn that around, you can see that that lines up perfectly with our other make one lefts. Now, at this stitch, let's do the make one right. And remember, right rear. We come in through back to front, through the rear of the stitch. And then we're just going to purl this stitch the normal way. And let me just purl another stitch so we can see what that looks like. And you can see that lines up just perfectly with our others. And that's how you do a make one right and a make one left purlwise. Very similar to knitwise. They're very, very similar. Okay. I hope this was helpful for you. And if it was, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this with somebody that you think it would be helpful for. And happy knitting.